Have you noticed how big YouTube Shorts have become lately? In 2025, Shorts are pulling in over 200 billion views every single day. That's more than TikTok and Instagram Reels combined in some niches. And here's the crazy part. YouTube is rewarding creators who stay consistent with Shorts by pushing their content to millions of new viewers. The opportunity is massive, but the challenge is speed. How can you possibly keep up with daily uploads when editing just one video can take hours? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make 5 fully polished YouTube Shorts in just 1 hour, all with the help of CapCut AI. This isn't theory, it's the workflow creators are using right now to stay consistent without burning out. Step 1. Why YouTube Shorts matter right now. Before we jump into the actual workflow, let's take a second to understand why Shorts are such a game changer. YouTube is currently pushing Shorts harder than ever. They want to compete directly with TikTok and Instagram, which means the algorithm is favoring short-form content like never before. For creators, first, Shorts are the fastest way to grow your channel in 2025. One viral short can bring in thousands of new subscribers in a matter of days. Second, consistency matters more than perfection. Uploading one short every single day keeps your channel active in the algorithm's eyes. But here's the problem. Making one short daily or even multiple shorts a day feels like a full-time job. That's where CapCut AI comes in. It allows you to speed up every single part of the workflow, from editing to captions to exports, so you can batch create content instead of struggling with one video at a time. Step 2. Using CapCut AI templates. The biggest time saver inside CapCut is its AI-powered template slides. These templates are designed specifically for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. They already have built-in transitions, effects, and layouts, which means you don't need to design everything from scratch. Here's how it works. Instead of building a short manually, you open the CapCut template library. You'll see a variety of styles, from cinematic edits to trending meme formats to motivational quote layouts. Pick one that matches your niche or the type of content you want to make. The beauty of these templates is that all you have to do is swap out the text, images, or clips. Let's say you're making a motivational short. The template might already have a background video, animated text effects, and music timed to beats. You just replace the stock video with your own clip or B-roll, change the text to your message, and it looks like a professional edit, instantly. The key here is to pick 1 or 2 styles and stick with them. That way, your channel builds a recognizable brand identity, and you don't waste time browsing templates every time. Think of it like your signature editing style, but one that only takes you seconds to apply. Step 3. Captions that keep people watching. If there's one feature that separates good shorts from viral ones, it's captions. People watch most short-form videos on their phone without sound, and that means captions aren't optional. They're essential. CapCut AI has a built-in auto-caption tool that not only generates subtitles for you, but also adds motion and style automatically. You don't have to sit there typing every word or syncing it to the video manually. With one click, your entire video has perfectly timed captions. But here's where it gets even better. You can customize the captions to make them more engaging. For example, highlight keywords in bright colors. If your short says, "This one habit changed my life," you can make the words "changed my life" pop in bold yellow. That visual emphasis makes people pay attention, and it keeps them hooked until the end. Some creators even play around with caption animations, bouncing words, sliding text, or subtle zoom-ins. These small touches increase watch time, which is exactly what the YouTube algorithm rewards. The longer people stay on your short, the more the algorithm will push it out. Step 4. AI tools that save hours. This is where CapCut really shines, and beyond templates and captions, it has built-in AI tools that save you hours of editing. One of the most useful features is the AI background remover. Let's say you're filming without a studio or green screen. Normally, you'd have to use complicated editing software to cut yourself out of the background. With CapCut AI, it takes one click. Suddenly, your video looks like it was shot in a professional studio, even if you recorded it in your bedroom. If you don't want to show your face at all, CapCut has you covered with stock B-roll and AI-generated clips. For example, if your script mentions a crowded city at night, you can just type that into the stock library, and CapCut will give you cinematic footage you can drop right into your video. You don't need a camera crew or expensive equipment. The AI gives you professional results instantly. You can also generate AI images or even short AI animations if you want to illustrate abstract concepts. This is perfect for educational or storytelling shorts where you don't always have the footage you need. When you combine all these tools, background remover, stock B-roll, AI visuals, you get the ability to create an entire video without ever stepping in front of a camera. That's why so many creators are running faceless YouTube channels in 2025. Step 5. Batch export like a pro. Now let's talk about the final step, getting those shorts out fast. Normally, exporting videos one by one is slow and frustrating, but CapCut AI lets you batch export. Here's how it works. You line up all 5 shorts inside your project. Once you're done editing and adding captions, you select them all and hit export. CapCut processes everything in the background, one after another, while you move on to something else. In less than 15 minutes, you can have my fully edited shorts sitting in your export folder, ready to upload. The best part? You can drag and drop them straight into YouTube Studio. From there, just add your titles, descriptions, and tags. If you really want to save time, prepare your titles and descriptions ahead of time. That way, uploading 5 shorts feels as easy as uploading a single video. Putting it all together. So let's recap the workflow. First, understand why shorts matter and why batching them is the smartest move. Second, use CapCut AI templates to speed up editing and create a consistent style. Third, add captions with motion and keyword highlights to boost retention. Fourth, take advantage of AI tools like background remover and stock B-roll to make your videos look professional without extra effort. And finally, batch export everything so you can publish multiple shorts in one sitting. When you follow this system, creating 5 shorts in an hour doesn't just become possible, it becomes easy. Imagine what that means for your content strategy. Instead of stressing about making 1 short a day, you can sit down once a week, knock out all your content in a single session, and free up the rest of your time. That's how creators are scaling in 2025. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter with the right tools. And there you have it, the full workflow to make 5 YouTube shorts in just 1 hour using CapCut AI. Think about how much time this saves you and how consistent you can be if you apply this system every week. Now I want to hear from you. Which feature in CapCut AI do you find the most powerful? The templates, the captions, or the background remover? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button because every week we're breaking down new AI shortcuts that save you time, help you grow faster, and make content creation effortless.